Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan and COAS Bajwa discuss national security matters. Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa called on Prime Minister Imran Khan here in Islamabad at the Prime Minister's office. Sindh government lying about corona vaccine procurement. Federal Minister for Planning and Development Asad Umar said that the Pakistan People's Party Sindh government was lying about coronavirus vaccine procurement. The federal government is providing the vaccine to the province. Supreme Court summons Punjab's reply on premature dissolution of local councils. The Supreme Court summoned a reply from Punjab government over a premature dissolution of local governments in the province. Punjab CM to launch corona vaccination from Wednesday, Rashid. Chief Minister of Punjab will launch coronavirus vaccination drive in the province from Wednesday. PAF plane carrying first batch of COVID-19 vaccine reached Islamabad. A special Pakistan Air Force plane with the first batch of COVID-19 vaccine doses has reached Islamabad. Countrywide anti-COVID-19 vaccination drive to begin from 3rd February. The federal government has decided to launch countrywide anti-COVID-19 vaccination drive from 3rd February. Ogra notifies over 10 rupees per kg increase in LPG price. The Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority notified 10 rupees and 37 paisa per kilogram increase in price of liquefied petroleum gas for the month of February. This is the end of today's news. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Please like it, share it and comment on it. And stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.